Parallelogram law of forces. Aim. Verify parallelogram law of forces. Apparatus. Drawing board with 2 fixed pulleys, 3 sets of hanger weights, twine thread, protractor, set squares and drawing pins. Parallelogram law. If 2 forces acting at a B presented in magnitude and direction by the 2 adjacent sides of a parallelogram drawn from a point, the resultant is represented in a magnitude and direction by the diagonal of the parallelogram drawn from the same point. Theory. Let OP, OQ and OR be the 3 coplanar forces acting at a point O. A triangle ABC is formed by drawing parallel lines to OP, OQ. The sides small p, q and r of the triangle ABC represents the forces OP, OQ and OR. Then, according to the parallelogram law of forces, capital P by small p is equal to capital Q by small q is equal to capital R by small r. Fix a white paper to the drawing board. Fix 2 pulleys to the drawing board. Place the strings such that they pass through the pulleys. Take a set of weight and hangers, water in a beaker, a stone whose volume has to be found. Add the weight hangers by holding the strings such that the arrangement is not disturbed. Release the string. Wait till the arrangement comes to rest. Turn on the light. You can observe the shadow of the string on the white sheet. Mark the point O with the pencil at the center where the knot is present. Trace the points R, P and Q carefully in the direction of the forces R, P and Q. Remove the pulleys. Join the points O and R to form a line OR. Join the points O and P to form a line OP. Verification of parallelogram law of forces. Use the scale 50 grams is equal to 1 centimeter. Mark the point A on line OP such that OA into scale gives the weight suspended at P. Mark the point B on line OQ such that OB into scale gives the weight suspended at Q. Mark the point D on line OR such that OD into scale gives the weight suspended at R. Take a compass to mark the resultant force OC from the forces OA and OB. With point B as center and length OA as radius, mark an arc with compass. The intersecting point of both the arcs is point C. Join the point O and C, A and C, B and C. Resultant parallelogram is formed. Measure the angle COD and note it in the tabular form. Measure the length OC and note it in the tabular form. If OC is equal to OD and angle COD is equal to 180 degrees, then parallelogram law of forces is verified. Precautions. 1. The pulley should be frictionless. 2. The weights should not touch the drawing board. 3. The drawing board should be perfectly vertical. 4. While marking the shadows of thread, the weights should not oscillate. 5. The hangers should not touch the board.